Fort Worth West Side, you may not have heard this, Phil, and you may want to argue with it or debate it a little bit. I'll tell you where it comes from. She said, you said lowering carbs may cause your calcium score to increase by more hard plaque developing. Over time, could the added plaque actually cause severe enough blood flow restriction to be dangerous? For the latest in health-related information and ways to save your life, check out the newsletter. The answer is no. What's going on is you're decreasing the inflammation of that plaque. And unfortunately, I mean, those of us who do a thing called CIMT, which is not very common, it's not supported well in most medical communities, see this. It's really clear. And I'll have patients come to me. They'll say, look, one of the most common reasons for coming to me is I had a positive calcium score. I lost 30 pounds and my calcium score went way up. I expected it to go the other direction. And my perspective is calm down, realize that those of us who watch plaque on a much more regular basis know that calcification is a part of the process of decreasing inflammation and stabilizing that plaque.
I would just say one of the nuances about, following coronary artery calcium scans, it's not just the total number. And, one of the key things that I look for when I'm doing serial calcium scans on patients is, are you forming new areas of calcification versus the areas of calcification that were already present getting a little denser? And that goes along with what you were saying. Are you sort of calcifying established areas? Or are you forming calcium in new areas, which is a major kind of danger sign, a major warning there. So all of this stuff gets complex, gets nuanced. The coronary artery calcium scan is certainly a tool that can be misunderstood, can be misused. And so that's why it's really important to find good practitioners who understand this. I've been very fortunate to have conversations with Dr. Agustin, and he obviously has, I would say, more insight than anyone on this test that he kind of developed himself and has been looking at now for 40-ish years. And those are the types of nuances that come out of conversations like that. And when you're working with a practitioner who really understands that, that's where you can use these tests most effectively.